be turning out all the sounds in this game. All the sounds are MOD sounds. It's like just the funniest thing. I'm just going to take you through all the sounds. Some of them are funny, some of them are weird. It's one of my favourite ones. Like, it just sounds so good. That's probably one of the most famous ones. That's definitely one of the weirdest ones. The one says, "Oh my God." This one's just like that one. I like that one as well. It's pretty cool. Madness right there.
You're an inspiration for bird control.
That's like a completion of all of them. Right, that's the end of this video. I'll see you next video, or probably the video out.